Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. Now I know you read the title and you guys are probably thinking to yourself, how you gonna make some, cinnamon roll and then turn it into a casserole, and yet we gonna use a crock pot. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a little sneak peek. Look, there it is right there. Hey, and check out this back part right there. That's nothing but a bunch of cinnamon deliciousness. So with me saying that, let me just go ahead and break it right into the video. Okay, here go the ingredients. We got vanilla extract, maple syrup, cinnamon. Then we got a half cup of milk, 4 eggs, and 2 cans of cinnamon rolls. Now once you get your cinnamon rolls and your icing out of the can, you want to cut your cinnamon rolls into 4s. So in other words, we want to make quarters. So you're going to cut them in half and then those in half. Now here in a bowl, you want to whisk together your eggs, milk, syrup, vanilla, and cinnamon. Now you want to spray your crock pot with a non-stick spray and place the first can that you cut into 4s, you want to place them on the bottom. Once you're done arranging all of your cinnamon roll quarters on the bottom, then you want to go ahead and pour your egg cinnamon oil wash right over the top of them. And then the next step is just place the remaining cinnamon rolls. You just want to stack them on top. And now you're supposed to, you're supposed to drizzle the icing right here on the top. But after being in the refrigerator, you know what I mean? It was just sort of hard for it to come out. So obviously you can see there was no drizzling. So what I did was stuck it in the microwave, heated it up for 20 seconds. And after that, here we go, drizzle. Now just place the crock pot lid on the top, and then you want to cook it on low for 2.5 hours. seen it. It really truly is just that easy. All I can tell you is this right here is just gonna like knock everybody back. I don't know what your drink of choice is, whether you have a tall, ice cold glass of milk or you have a hot cup of coffee. Either way, I can promise you it goes well with just about anything. And if you ask me, listen, it's so sweet, so, delicious. It might even go down with a cup of water. Hey, outside of that, I hope you guys like this video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, let me go ahead and take this time to say, hey, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and you know what, share the video. Outside of that, y'all, I just want to say, hey, thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.